Trump's travel ban is starting today, June 9th, Monday, 2025. Travel ban banning 12 countries completely and another 7 countries partially. What's it about, who is impacted, and what are the exceptions? All in this video. Hello everybody and welcome back to Immigration Channel. In this video, we'll talk about the travel ban that's starting today, the recording of this video, Monday, June 9th. We'll talk about what countries are impacted, what countries are partially impacted, and what are the exceptions to this travel ban. Because there's so many confusions, so many questions, and I want to address all this in this video. So make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. I'll go over the entire process, the exceptions, and what you need to know if you're planning to apply for a visa in the next few months. So the travel ban was signed just a week ago. It's going to be impacting 12 countries completely and 7 countries partially. If you are from one of these countries impacted or have family members in those countries, this video will explain what this travel ban means for you. So first of all, who is affected by this travel ban? Nationals of the following 12 countries are fully banned by this travel ban. Nationals of Afghanistan, Myanmar, Chad, Republic of Congo, Guinea, Eritrea, Haiti, Iran, Libya, Somalia, Sudan, and Yemen. Those 12 countries are completely barred from getting visas into the United States for the moment. As of today, the recording of this video. What that means, it includes all visa categories, from student visas to work visas, employment, and also family-based green cards, guys. You know that if you're going and waiting for your immigrant visa right now from family petitions, most of you who don't have those visas yet are currently banned. There are a few exceptions, and we'll talk about it in a few minutes. What are the partially restricted countries? These countries are not going to be eligible to apply for tourist visas, student visas, and some work visas. These countries are Burundi, Cuba, Laos, Sierra Leone, Togo, Turkmenistan, and Venezuela. Work visas and other non-immigrant categories not named in the ban may still apply for these countries. Essentially, it's going to make long-term travel to the United States more complicated for these partially banned countries. Now, how is this ban different from the one that we've seen in 2017? As you remember, we already experienced one travel ban in 2017. His previous ban was challenged in courts and caused lots of chaos at airports and ports of entry to the United States. This travel ban includes more countries than before. The countries before were focused mostly on Muslim countries. This travel ban is more broad and includes other Asian countries as well. It includes other regions like Africa and the Caribbean. Also, this time the government gave some notice to us before they implemented the ban versus before it was quite immediate. The 2007 ban focused mostly on Muslim countries. This one, the idea is because many of these countries, people that come from those countries overstay visas, therefore they're included on that ban. Also, this ban comes literally days after an attack in Colorado where an immigrant from Egypt that overstayed his visa committed a crime against US citizen protesters, and as a result he was detained and his family is now facing deportation. So what does that ban mean for you, the visa applicant watching this video planning to come to the United States? First of all, remember that there are some exceptions, mostly for diplomats traveling to the United States, athletes coming to the United States specifically for the Olympic Games, and for special immigrant visas, adoption cases, and immediate family reunification with very strong documents. Remember, if you're a green card holder, this ban does not apply to you. The ban is starting today, recording of this video, which is June 9th, 2025. If you are planning to renew your visa or get an extension, it may not be possible once those visas expire and you are a person from those countries. And this is specifically going to impact student, family-based petitions, and other workers. The travel ban does not limit asylum refugees' admission to the United States. So let's summarize this once again. The travel ban is starting Monday, June 9, 2025. It's impacting 12 countries fully, 7 countries partially, and potentially Egypt could be added to the list in the next few months, which is what the prediction states. But there are exceptions. Once again, the following people are not included in this ban. Number one, green card holders. If you already have a green card and you are from one of those countries, you're not included. Dual nationals. So, for example, if you have a passport from one of the banned countries and you also have a second passport from a non-banned country, you are still able to travel to the United States. If you have any of the diplomatic visas, you're still exempt from this ban. If you're an athlete, coach, participant in the World Cup, you're exempt from this ban. If you're an immediate relative applying for a green card, a spouse of a US citizen or a parent of a US citizen, you're exempt. Adoption cases are also exempt. Special immigrant visas for US government employees, exempt. Individuals that got asylum are exempt already. If you're already inside the United States and you're applying for a change of status, you're not subject to the ban because you're inside the United States. So as you can see, there's quite a few exceptions. And if you don't meet any of these exceptions, you could still qualify for a national interest exception if you are coming to do a special job, if you have a special skill, or if you're coming to do something as an executive from a company that is within those banned countries. You can apply for a national interest exemption, and we do a lot of those in our practice. So once again, guys, this is what it is. If you need help with your immigration matter, send me a text 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationsap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will contact you. And as always, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Share it with somebody that needs to know this information. And as always, I'll see you in our next video.